All right, boys and girls, here we are ready for writing today. You should have a paper that looks like this. If you are in class, your teacher will be giving you one of these. If you are at home, your teacher has attached that you can make a copy of it. If you cannot do that, if you don't have a printer, then you can just write the words that we're going to write in. You don't have to write all the sentences, but I do want you writing the words that we're going to write in. If you have an adult there that could help you, they could write these out for you and then you could fill them in. But if not, I want you to at least write the words. So today we read a book and we also did a word web about beetles. And so that's what our writing is going to be about today as well. So our little story starts with a beetle is an insect. So we've learned that insects have three sets of legs or three pairs of legs, and a pair means two, so let's count by twos. 2, 4, 6. So they have 6 legs. They also have 2 parts as part of an insect, something that we can know about an insect. All right, so we know a beetle is an insect. So let's review where the beetles live. Can you remember where the beetles live? Most beetles live where? On land. So, in your first space, I want you to write the word land. L-A-N-D. Today you're just going to be copying the words that I write, but I'm going to be stretching them so that you can hear how you're supposed to stretch words when you don't know how to spell them. So the first word is land. It has the word and in it. Beetles live on land or in, what was the other one? Water. Good. We say water, but it actually has a T instead of a D. Water. So wa, and is E-R. And what did I put at the end? A period. Let's read this together. Beetles live on land or in water. All right, let's look at our next one. Beetles something fly. What word would make sense in there? It's a word that you already know. Beetles can fly. You are correct. Let's put the word can on the line. Make sure you're doing your very best printing, even though you're not in your writer's notebook, so that your teachers can read them. Next, what did we learn that beetles eat? We learned they eat many things, but one thing that they eat is, do any of you remember? Plants. And we're learning some of those chunks in Haggerty, and pool would be P-L. Pull and plants. Beetles eat plants. If at any time you need me to stop, just pause the video. The last one has a pretty long word, and I actually went back to the book to remind myself what should go in that blank. And I think we could put lots of things in there, but the word that it used in the book, it says beetles are interesting insects. Now, we already know that they're an insect up here. So down here, we're going to put the word interesting. Let's count that. Interesting. That is 4 syllables. Are you ready to write this word? We're going to split it up so it's not going to be so hard. So our first little chunk is in. Beetles are in. Now we're going to put est, est. And we've started learning that ing. What's ing? What 3 letters? I-N-G. Good. All right. Go ahead and finish that word. And then we are going to read this little story that we made about insects, about beetles. You ready to help me? Here we go. Use your finger and point to the words. A beetle is an insect. Beetles live on land or in water. Beetles can fly. Beetles eat plants. Beetles are interesting. Good job. All right. Now what I would like to have you do at the very bottom, and you can't really see mine very well because I moved my paper down so you could see it better on the computer, but it says draw a picture of a beetle that would match one of the sentences you completed above. So you can make a beetle that's flying. You can make a beetle that's eating plants. You could make a beetle on the land or in the water. Now, I'm going to use this spot right here to help you make a little picture that's in my book that's kind of cool. I think it's supposed to be a ladybug because it is red and black. And I think I have those colors right over here. So, you may choose to make this, or you may make one of your own. So it kind of goes like this. And that part is red. I'm not going to color it all the way in like you are because I'm doing this on my whiteboard. But you can do yours nice and neat. And then, if it's a ladybug, what do I need? I need my black spots, don't I? So I'm going to make some black spots. I'm only going to make a few of them, so you're not weeding. And then our ladybug needs a head. And so I am going to use my orange. I don't know if you'll be able to see that very well. To make the head. And I need to give him some eyes. And some little antlers. And then, how many legs does my ladybug need? What did we learn? We learned they needed 3 sets, right? So we need 6 all together. So we're going to put 3 back there and 3 up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there is my very quick ladybug. It doesn't quite look like the one in the book, but the best I can do for today. So I want you to complete your paper. If you are at home, make sure that you add your picture. You can either do it here or on the bottom. Now, I did not put land or water. I didn't put a plant, and I didn't necessarily show that this was flying, but I would like you to do that, okay? Then upload it, and I can't wait to see how you did on this paper. I hope it was fun for you, something a little different than Writer's Notebook, and we were able to review beetles. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.